welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Oluchi J. So today, like being all locked up in the house because of this quarantine stuff and the lockdown that's going on because of the coronavirus ish, I thought to myself, what can I possibly do? Because actually it's dark outside. This is a late shoot, and I was like, okay, I've not actually done a post or I've not done anything related to natural look. So today I'm going to be doing a natural look that you could just jump on while you're going to the office or while you're just going out to get groceries or something, just something like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the notification button. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. So I'm going to moisturize my lips with Vaseline and then go in with my Zaron primer on my face just to keep it all together because I have pores. Yeah. Then next I'm going to go in with my retractable pencil. I like this pencil because it has two sides, so I can easily draw my brows and also use the spoolie to comb it out. I use the Maybelline brow gel just to keep my brows in place for the rest of the day. I think it's called brow drama too. I removed the excess with Pro Concealer. Yeah. I think for now this is my best bet for concealer or a flat brush. Well, I did that and I blended it out. Also, I repeated that for the other side too, even if you didn't get to see it. So that's Maybelline foundation in Warm Sun Super Stay actually. So if you want to know about most of the products I use, you can check the description box. I'm still looking for my perfect shade though, so I'm going to be blending out with Zikel Beauty Blender. I like this one because it has both the tiny ones that you can work with around your eye areas. You know, the areas that the bigger beauty blending sponge can possibly get to. So I would advise you to get such. I think they should have it in other products, like in other products apart from Zikel. So I had to blend and set my eye lids just to avoid it having breakage. So after blending it out, I have to highlight my face also with the Pro Concealer. Yeah, I forgot my cupid ball, so I had to repeat that. So for the first time, I'm actually using a contour, a cream contour. I hardly do it though, but I just needed to know how it's going to turn out, if I would like it, if I would not like it. So actually, yeah, this is my first time using like a liquid contour, and also it's a LA Girl Pro Concealer. And there's actually one funny thing, after blending this out, I had to use my contour powder to set my eyes, like cutting my crease with it. You'd see that, but I just needed to let you know, because this is my own trick. Everyone have what works for them, but this is what I do. I think it works for me. If not for anything, just because the color is a lighter brown, like you can see there, it just fits. So I'm looking for eyeshadow that matches. I just go straight and use it. The eyeshadow I'm going to be using today is from Beauty Killer, but it's a darker shade of brown. I just want to keep it all natural to avoid doing too much. I think it's like my favorite color when it comes to this palette. Yeah, that one. So I had to rub it in circular motion. Don't worry, I'm not actually as hard on myself as it appears. I just have to do it lightly. I'll be setting my face with banana benai. Yeah, it's a luxury powder for setting the face. So for now that's what I'm using, but I think I'm open to trying other products. So I'm highlighting the areas that I actually already applied my Pro Concealer, the highlights on. Also, I had to go in again with my contour because it was not really coming all together for me. It was too light, so I needed a really snatched look. So I had to go in again and apply it all over my face where it's really needed, like my forehead and my cheeks. That's a Maybelline Kajal eyeliner. I like it because it stays, it hardly drops, and also it's really hard to get out. So that's I use hard candy to just highlight my outer corner. That's a feather brush. I'm going to be using it to apply my bronzer. Same bronzer I used as my highlight for my eyes. I think so far I love hard candy. I've not really seen anyone that really works for me so much. That's Tara lip liner. It's a lighter brown. You'll see the number on my description box. It looks natural. I like it for its natural look. It's not too dull. It just stays like a normal lip color. That's e.l.f. setting spray. So far it works for me though. I was using Maybelline at first, but I was like I should try this one. And this is a lip stain from Notes. You'll see the number on my description box, so I had to apply like not so much, just a little amount, so it will not be too much and too small, just a moderate. I went back in with Tara lip liner, but this time around is a darker one. It's like a pop. It has this purpley form, so that's what I like doing. You may just not do it. So well, everyone, this is the finished look. Everyone have their own version of doing this natural makeup look thing, but I think I just have to go soft on the whole thing or the process. I don't really like doing so much. So I hope you like this look for your office stuff, or just want to drop out and just go hang out with friends without being too much but still look good, or just maybe going to get groceries, like if you still want to be extra. Then well, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification button so you can always get my videos whenever I post them. So that is it. I hope you like it.